Yeah. Told you. What did I tell you? The kid's been throwing it low, so he's going to throw it right in Jude's batter box.
See? Oh. If it would have, he could have ran if it was a little straighter.
But he's got to get that. He stopped and looked at it. Instead of just running, he stopped and
out,
looked.
Jude! Ooh. He could just, he could bump it.
Thanks, Justin.